In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a credit card on Foodpanda. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use multiple different payment methods on Foodpanda, including a credit card. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to register a credit card as a payment method, and you will be able to do this in two main ways. The first one will be done when you access your account page, and the other one will be done through checkout. So if you want to do it through your account page, tap on the account option at the bottom right. And in here, you will see this message, cashback and payment methods. You can also try scrolling down if it doesn't appear at the top, but basically, all that you have to do is go into the payment methods available for your account through the account page. Of course, make sure that you are signed in. Immediately upon going to the cash that you have on your wallet, you will see the payment method listed here, and you choose the option to add a new one. Now, if you don't find this option or you don't want to add the credit card through this manner, then what you can do is proceed to checkout. When you proceed to checkout, and when you're ordering from any restaurant, any store, and you scroll down, you will see payment method. So you will choose whatever it is that you want to order, add it to your card, proceed to checkout, set up the location, and finally, before concluding the order, payment method will be listed. So just tap this edit icon, and you will see all of the options. Then you will find credit or debit card. If there are any other payment methods that you would like to use, then you can select them instead. But if you choose credit or debit card, you will now be able to input all of the necessary details. So card number, expiry date, security code, and the name of the cardholder. Once this is done, you will find the option to save the card to your account. So if you often order food on Foodpanda, make sure that you leave this option enabled and the card will be saved for future payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to add credit card to Foodpanda. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.